Scuba Fish here with some more Animal Crossing. So, I haven't played in a month since the last time I showed you guys, but I want to show you what I have in my mailbox, or actually what I took from my mailbox earlier. So, the last time I made a snow bro, so I was trying to make a snowman, but it turned out to be a little snowman, and he sent me a letter in the mail. I want to show you guys it. So he says, Snow Bro, Master Janet, as a thank you for allow me to give you the snowman wardrobe. It'll make whatever you stick in it that much cooler. Yours, Snow Bro. So I'm gonna check out what this dresser looks like, which I think I have had this before, but let's see what this looks like. Let's go inside the house, put it away. And I'm really also excited to show you another letter that I got in the mail today from Nintendo, because they send you letters as well. Yeah, this is it! The snowman! Dresser? Was it dresser? You can look inside of it, put your stuff away. That's super cute. So, a lot of Animal Crossing, if you guys don't know it, is there's lots of things to do where you can get awesome furniture. And your neighbors just bust in and want to see your home. Hey, Ken! I love Ken. He's my favorite. And he's wearing an Atomsk shirt. Look at his shirt. I made my town flag, because my town is called Atomsk after my cat. Hey, Ken! What are you doing? You gotta come inside here. So I made this shirt. Aw, hey! That's okay. I wasn't doing much. I'm sorry my place is a mess. Yeah, my place is cluttered. I have plans to change up my house. It's just a lot of work. But I want to show you guys this other letter real quick. Okay. Dear Janet, hello. Starting February 1st, we'll be releasing a new item every 2 weeks that has only been available in the Japanese version. So be sure to visit Nintendo Zone often. That sound is my town tune going off because it rings every hour, and I think it just like hit the hour mark. So they're going to be giving us new items. Animal Crossing has been out for a while, I think a year, a little over a year. Oh, I am going out, Ken. I'm sorry. You're welcome! And so it's really cool that at least Nintendo's going to be giving us some updates with some new furniture, since if people play Animal Crossing every single day, which you kind of do, that's what Animal Crossing is. And for the people who have played it, they, of course, get everything. So this is going to be new stuff for people to have, which I really think is cool. So this is the town area, and I really need to get a haircut. This is seriously bothering me. Hey, what are you doing? I have, thank you. Oh, he wants to get buff. He's a workout fiend. So we're gonna get a haircut. And I think we'll get some new clothes too. Shampoodle! Harriet is gonna do our hair today. I'm gonna do a hairstyle. Yes. Great. Let's do it! No. No, I want a girl haircut. pretty casual, so we're gonna go pretty casual. What is my room like? It can be on the messy side, because I have clothes that I like to leave everywhere, so I'm gonna say it's on the messy side. I know, I wish it was clean, but it's on purpose. Naturally loose, I like it. Hair color. We're gonna go natural, we're gonna go brown. That should be about it. Alright, we're gonna get a haircut! I hope it's a nice one. Thanks! It's much better than that. Their hair gets all crazy when you don't play for a while. You get that bed head. So, yeah, and I got my accessory in my hair. Thanks, Harry. Okay, let's look over here real quick at Kicks. That's a shoe store. Hey! So, these are socks. Oh, these are kind of cute. What are these? Zap boots. Nah, I'm good. What about these ones? Purple dot shoes. Cute look. Yeah, let's get them. Let's try them on. You're in my way, I can't see! I'm gonna wear them out so I can see what they look like. Thanks, Kicks. Yeah! Bye! Yeah! So we got new shoes. Now let's go to the accessories and then we'll go to the clothes. We'll try to find something to match our shoes and our accessories. Hey there! What's this one? A star? Let's try it on. Yay! I'm gonna keep it on. Yay! New accessory. Hey, Mabel! This is one of my favorite characters, Elvis. Hey, Elvis! Yeah, I did. I've been busy. I'm sorry. What up, Pecan? So these are the shirts that I made for the town, and you saw Ken was wearing, I think, this one. So these are my Atomsk t-shirts. Let's see what you have. Let's see. Cute vibe. 420 bells! Alright, let's take it. I'm gonna try it on first, and then wear it out. Yes. Oh, I was supposed to wear it out of here. Let me put it on. Yeah! There you go. Alright. These pants might match it. Not a lot of clothing options today. Let me try on the skirt real quick, and then I'm gonna figure out. No, it's totally clashing like crazy. I think I'm just gonna keep the shirt. Alright, bye! Yay! Okay. She's all done looking schlubby. This is the store. So this store can actually get upgraded to be a bigger store, and that's also one of my goals. And so here you can buy like furniture for your house, like a little spaceship. There's music albums, fortune cookies. Fortune cookies give you those special Nintendo items. In my last episode when I was showing off my house, so I get a pineapple bed, little stool. And then right next door is the garden area where you can buy stuff to make the town look nice. Plants. Got the axe. Put that one in your house. Bye, Leaf. Yeah. This is the post office. You can mail letters to your neighbors, your friends. And then in here is Nook's home. They rate your houses. Club 101 is a nighttime club that turns on at night, but I don't think it's nighttime yet. It's still the comedy club. Or this guy's just like preparing. I was just dropping by. Yeah, so at 8 p.m. is when the club starts. I gotta show you guys that because that's really awesome. But currently it is daytime. Kind of evening hour. Sun's going down. So this one's really cool. This is like the Dreamatorium, where you can visit anybody's town. So I think that's what I'm going to do today. Let's go ahead and visit a random town. Show me a dream. It's connected to the internet. Okay, what kind of dream do we want to have? I think I will leave it up to you. Give me whatever you want, Luna. Change it to our pajamas and go to sleep. Gonna dream away. We're in someone's town. Talisman. Cool. Ooh. They have stuff all over the ground like I do. See their neighbors. Hi! Oh! A cow! Angus! Bye! Aw, he waved at me. Okay, I'm gonna go to their house. Oh, Kyle! He's so cute! I've never seen him before. Oh, I want a Kyle in my town. Oh, is this the guy? This is the guy. Oh, he's wearing the Majora's Mask. Oh, his name is Tobakin! Hey, it's Tobakin! Let's look at his house. Ooh, see all the Mario stuff that I was mentioning earlier that you get from those fortune cookies. Ooh. It's cool, he has the Halloween decor. It's scary in there. You have to sit on the little chair to get to the other room. Ooh. Space theme, I like this. Alright. Check out the last room. Oh, this is cool! It's like plants and teddy bears. Like objects. I like this room. This one's really cool. Yeah, that was awesome. Oh, that's not the last room. Two more, upstairs and downstairs. Let's see, upstairs. Aww. He has two songs going out at the same time. I like it. This room's cool and he has a picture of his neighbor. Fang's picture. Oh, there's a message. Born on December 18th. You mess with the wolf, you get the fangs. Oh, this is cool! I like this room, yeah! This is super cool! This is a crazy room. I think that one's my favorite. Alright. Oh, look at this bamboo growing everywhere. He has a cute little town. I like it. Hey there. Alright. Yes, wake me up. Let's wake up now. So I absolutely love that you can visit other people's towns just randomly whenever you want. Super cool as long as you have an internet connection. It was great! And then for anyone who has Animal Crossing wants to visit my town using the dream address, you can go ahead and visit it with this. That is my dream address, and so you just have to have this Dreamatorium. Talk to Luna, give her my address, and you can visit my town. Bye, Luna. Yeah, I'll come back. So that was showing off a little bit about the town. I will be posting more Animal Crossing videos because I want to play some more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Animal Crossing, and I will see you guys later. Bye!